Hi guys, so this is Andrew Elsalins again. So welcome to my channel. So if you enjoy my video and learn something, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so in this video, I want to share with you how you can change your YouTube channel URL. Okay, so why it is important for you to change your URL is so that people can memorize or easily recognize your channel ID. Okay guys, so let's see how you can change your YouTube channel's URL. Okay, so the first step is we go to youtube.com, yeah, and don't forget to sign on towards your channel's account or ID. Yeah, so then you just click on this channel and you just go to the setting. Okay, so here you can see the channel status and features. Yeah, and you just click this section, so you will see there are few items here. Okay, so what you can see here is on the custom URL. Okay, so if your account is eligible for the URL custom made, then you will see this section change towards the eligible. Okay, so however, if your remark here is still ineligible, so meaning to say your account is still unable to rename the URL. Okay, there are certain criteria for you in order for you to change or eligible to change your channel's account. Okay, so one of the criteria is you have at least a minimum 100 subscribers. Yeah, so that is your first objective, to get at least 100 subscribers. So okay guys, so for my case I already have 101 subscribers, and my custom URL had been eligible by YouTube. Okay, so let's see how to change or custom the URL. So if you notice here you are eligible, so you just click here, and then you just go to these sections, custom URL, and you see here you are eligible for a custom URL. Claim it here. Okay, so if you need some further information, you can find it here. You just click here. So what does its functions, and you can get detail here. Okay, so basically what you need to do is you just need to click here, claim it here. Okay, so by default, yeah, so the URL will rename towards your YouTube brand or your YouTube channel's name. Okay, so for example, for my case, so because my channel's name is Andrew Elsalin, so automatically YouTube renames the URL into this name, Andrew L. Salin. Yeah, so however, if you prefer or you want to add on the suffix or choosing the others names, so maybe you can you just click here, then you just add the characters. Yeah, so for example 2020. Okay, so the reason here is maybe sometime your channel name accidentally similar with others channel, so maybe you can't use your name. For example, YouTube C, so your name here is maybe travel blog, for example. Yeah, so maybe somebody's already used that URL, so you cannot use that travel blog, so you might want to add on additional information behind here. Okay guys, so for my case I'm not going to use this, so I just use this one. Okay, so you just select this, then just mark here that you already agreed and agreed to the term and condition. So after that you just click here, change the URL. Okay, so after that you just confirm the choice. So if you already agrees with the name, then just confirm the choice. Okay, so basically that is the simplest or the easiest way how you can change your URL. So if you see here, so my channel's URL is so quite lengthy, yeah, so quite long, yeah. So after the process is done, then this will be changed into the my channel's URL names. Okay, so that is how or the process of this changing this account. Okay, so let's see the difference. Okay guys, so let's recheck if we successfully already check the URL. So what we need to do is just go to the URL that we already set just now. Yeah, so for my case is I use the my channel's name. Yeah, so this is Andrew L. Salim. Yeah, so let's see if this is working. Yes, so this is my new URL. Yeah, so previously the URL is quite lengthy. Then after we successfully check it, then we can get it here. Okay, so that is the process. How simple you can rename your YouTube URL. Okay, guys. So I hope you had learned something. So if you liked the video, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my video. Okay guys, so see you again.